You hear us talk about iron chlorosis, and this is a very good example of iron chlorosis. You see the dark green veins in the leaves, and this is a sign that the plant is not getting the nutrients that it needs. One of the ways to fix iron chlorosis is, of course, to add some iron. You can use liquid iron and mix it up in water according to the directions on the bottle and water the plant. If that still doesn't work, then I would get a soil pH test done, because the pH might be off so that the plant isn't able to take up nutrients, because the pH is holding all of the nutrients in the ground and not allowing the plant to get to them. But hopefully a little bit of liquid iron and these plants will be just fine.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.